Want to create a landing page on Shopify in under a minute? Let me show you the simplest way to do it. Welcome back to the channel. First, go to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left side, click Online Store. Here you will see options like themes, pages, and preferences. Click on Pages, now select Add New Page. Start by writing your page title. For example, I'll write Test Page. Next, add the content. You can type something simple like Test Page Content. Now scroll down to the Visibility section. Make sure the option is set to Visible so your page can be accessed online. Then click Save. Once you save it, your landing page is instantly created. Click View and Shopify will open the page in a new tab. Now you can see your page with the title and content you added. Simple, fast, and ready to use. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to Brainspate and share it with someone who's building a Shopify store.